Feinstein Institute is the home to 500 scientists who are committed to studying disease in order to develop the knowledge to cure disease.
In a way, it's like a think tank. We come up with ideas and then we test them, and the end result will be new ways of diagnosing disease and new ways of treating it.
When you come into the Feinstein Institute, there's a map on the wall, and throughout this map, people have placed pins representing their country or their city of origin.
When we were first putting all the pins in, the first thing that struck me is that we had more pins from other parts of the world than we had from the US.
Every time I take somebody on a tour in our building, they always turn around to me and say, wow, you guys are like the model UN here. We know we're so diverse, and it was actually really nice for us to see that.
When one looks at the number of countries and the distances people have traveled to come here, you can only hope that this is a small reflection of what's occurring here at the Feinstein Institute.
I was born in the coastal town of Härnösand in Sweden.
I was born in Quebec in Canada.
I grew up in Mexico City.
I was born in Melbourne, Australia.
Came from China.
I was born in Beirut, Lebanon.
I was born in a small village just outside of Mumbai.
I'm from the north of Chile.
I was born and raised in Ghana.
I'm from Bulgaria, and then I came here to the Feinstein like 11 years ago. And I've seen this place grow and become one of the leading research institutes in the US.
The Feinstein Institute is one of the very few institutes in the world in which this idea of combining basic research with disease-oriented research is an actual reality.
We have many areas of research and all the major facets of disease to do research that will change how we do medicine.
Some of the research work here has been able to impact patients' life in a very positive way. And for me, this is very exciting to be part of this excellent tradition.
Every Friday, we meet all the young investigators, and that gives us an opportunity to meet people from different laboratories.
Where we get the chance to discuss our most recent findings and looking way ahead in the future, how we can use these new insights and new discoveries to promote the making of new therapies and to help people.
What really actually excites me and brings me here every day is the possibility of doing something great for the patient. We have the means to make this happen.
The Feinstein is uniquely placed in the North Shore LIJ health system, which has so many health facilities.
The health system has large numbers of clinical trials and very large numbers of patients.
So we have easy access to patient material, and that is why our progress is much better and quicker.
And there's so many brilliant people, open-minded, knowledgeable people here.
All throughout my education and training, I realized that people in my field whose work I knew and respected were actually faculty members here at this institution.
Kevin, he's a very good mentor. He not just teach me how to do science, but instead he spent a lot of time teaching me how to come up with the best idea, how to write a high-impact paper, and how to move forward and find a cure for the disease.
In the same floor is Bettie in one end, Anne Davidson, Peter Gregersen, Nick Curasi. Dr. Ross will come to you and give you an idea or give you criticism and help you to grow, and this is something that is the most valuable thing about what we have here.
And there is an open door policy, which means that not only the faculty, but also the other people who work in the lab are very approachable.
I can just go around and ask people, and in a matter of minutes I can figure out someone who can teach me how to do things, or someone who can bring my science to a higher level.
Another aspect is the education facility. We have an excellent medical school.
I felt it was like the perfect fit for me because it's specifically tailored for physicians who are interested in being physician scientists.
I cannot think of a better opportunity for somebody who wants to get their teeth into both clinical research and basic science, because both are available to them from day one as they come into the program.
So we have very efficient communications with clinical physicians. This is very helpful for us because we can learn more about the disease so that we can design better experiments.
You can go to any PI in the institute to set up collaboration, to do research jointly and to publish jointly.
We have a lot of NIH funding We've published in high-impact journals.
And that really speaks to the quality of the work here and the importance of the work here.
Last year, I published a Nature paper, and people ask me how you can do this. The answer is very simple. The Feinstein Institute, they support me, collaborate with me in the project, and help me a lot. This is how we become successful.
Here at the Feinstein Institute, we provide a supportive and empowering environment that fosters discovery.
And our ultimate goal is to take it to the patient and change the way medicine's practiced. And that's an unusual focus for most places, and it makes people want to come here.
We're all basically working as a collaborative team to work on a single mission. And what we produce in the end will benefit our communities. Really, when you think about that, that's really, truly an amazing thing.
It's inspirational. It's inspirational to invent and develop these advances and to look at these individuals who have come here to pursue their scientific dreams, and for me to know that they found their home here at the Feinstein Institute.